Hey guys, what's up? Here to tell you a little bit about a hair gel I've been using for many years actually. It's by Suave. It's Suave Max Hold Sculpting Gel 8. I'm not really sure what the 8 is for. I'm guessing it's like the level of hold that the product has for your hair. I'm sure you've heard of Suave before. They've been around for years. They have so many commercials and advertising and things like that. I actually was using this back in like middle school when I used to scrunch my hair like out of the shower, just add gel and kind of just like go like this and like scrunch it. Now I don't really do that so much anymore. Now I use gel more to when I put my hair up in like a ballerina bun or something like that. It's when it's too humid out basically to do my hair to straighten it or curl it or anything. I'll just use the gel and put it up in a bun. So that's mainly what I use it for, and then I brush it through. So it's definitely important for me to find a product that does not flake or does not get white or anything like that. You know, sometimes you'll use like a gel, like usually a thick gel, and when it dries, you'll have like these white spots from brushing it through your hair, and it's just not cute. It almost looks like dandruff. That's definitely like one thing I want to avoid, on top of having a product that really holds your hair in place and keeps it like that all day. I definitely found that with this product. So it's a non-sticky, alcohol-free sculpting gel. This one's 9 ounces. You could get them online in like a 3-pack. I think it makes a little bit more sense to do it that way. This is definitely inexpensive. I've tried other gels that are, you know, much more pricey, and I didn't really see like a big difference between those and this. So why not go for a product that's working just as well, that's a little bit less expensive, you know? So a little bit on the back here provides maximum control for less than more expensive brands. Like I was just saying, definitely works really well and is inexpensive. It provides maximum styling, control, and hold. It's alcohol-free. The alcohol-free formula will not weigh down hair or flake, like we were just talking about too. It's never too stiff or sticky. And then to use, squeeze gel into palm and work through damp hair from roots to ends. Blow dry for softer looks and allow to air dry for wetter looks. Like if you want to scrunch your hair, it'll still look wet if you use this in like damp hair. But if you just want your hair to stay, like I sometimes want my hair to just stay and not be frizzy, so I could add a little bit and then blow dry my hair afterwards. But mainly I just use this for putting my hair up. To achieve your favorite style, choose from a full range of Suave shampoos, conditioners, and styling products. There are so many on the market. Is a Suave promise. We guarantee your full satisfaction. For details, visit suave.com or call us. It's a Unilever brand, and the company is in Trumbull, Connecticut. So product is made in the USA. It's always nice, right? And then we have the ingredients listed here. So just adjust this. So water, and then like propylene glycol, some other stuff in there, silk amino acids. So I guess this only thing is like if you have a Brazilian blowout, it's probably not safe to use on your hair, or else it would probably say like sulfate free or something like that. So I guess it does have sulfates in their products, but overall like still really good. Let's open it up here. So it's like an easy open cap. Easy open plastic cap. The scent doesn't bother me, but it's not really like the most pleasant scent. It smells kind of strong, has like a strong odor. That's not to, you know, that doesn't bother me from using it, but like, you know, sometimes you'll buy a scented gel and it'll just smell nice. This is just kind of like, has almost like an alcohol scent to it, so it's not really the most pleasant smell in the world. And I'm going to squeeze some out so you guys could see. Let me squeeze a little more out actually. You guys see? So it does feel like a little bit light. It's not super thick, it's clear. It feels like soft to the touch, almost like silky, a little watery. I'd actually rather it be like that than be super sticky and thick and take a while to just like get off my hands. Like, you have to wash your hands, I feel like, after you use this, because like any other gel, it's like a little sticky, but it's not overly sticky, which I like about it. So just holds your hair in place really nice. The only thing I have negative to say is the smell isn't that great, but you know, if you're buying a hair product specifically for the way it smells, maybe this isn't the product for you. However, if you're looking for a product that's really going to hold your hair in place and just do a great job and not flake and feel light and feel comfortable, then definitely try this out. Suave Max Hold Sculpting Gel. I hope you guys found this video useful. See you later.